Okay, now we can look at more examples. Okay, so first one is January 14. Okay, so January is 1月 Okay, 1月 January 14日 1月14日 January 14. Okay, so next one is 4月22日 April 22nd. April is 4 and 月 so that's 4月22日 April 22nd. Okay, so last one we can use how as an example. Okay, so it's November 24th. Okay, November is 11 months, so it's 11月24号 24th. Okay, how 11月24号 we just mentioned about how and 日 that can take over each others. That mean they all mean date. Okay, so 11月24号 November 24th. Okay, so now we can ask people their birthday. So 生日 that's birthday. 生日 birthday. Okay, so 我的生日是3月11号 Okay, my birthday is April 11th. My birthday is my birthday is March 11th. 我的生日是3月11号 My birthday is March 11th. So March 11th, so actually it's my real birthday. So my birthday is March 11th, and so my star sign is Pisces. So if anyone is the star sign is also Pisces, they say Pisces is very romantic. Do you think so? Okay, so 我的生日是3月11号 My birthday is March 11. Okay, now we're going to learn how to say today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So we have to say today is blah blah blah, well, which date and which month. So we have to learn the today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So 今天 is today. 今天 is today. Okay, and 昨天 is yesterday. 昨天 is yesterday. 明天 is tomorrow. 明天 is tomorrow. Okay, so we can say today is March 11. 今天是 today is 3月11日。今天是3月11日。Today is March 11. Okay, 今天是3月11日。Today is March 11. Okay, now we can learn how to say the Monday to Sunday. Okay, so firstly, 星期 is mean week. 星期 is mean week. Okay, for examples, now we are going to learn the Monday to Friday. I want to say the Monday to Friday is the same kind. Only the Sunday is kind of different. Yeah. So from Monday to Saturday is the same kind. So I have to correct. The Monday to Saturday is the same kind. only the Sundays are different. Okay, so Monday is 星期一 so it's week 1, so that's Monday. 星期一 Monday. 星期二 Tuesday. 星期三 3 is 3, so 星期三 is Wednesday. 星期四 Thursday. 星期五 Friday. 星期六 Saturday. Okay, so only the Sunday different. Sunday is 星期日 星期日 Okay, 星期日 that's Sunday. Okay, so for the week, the Monday to Sunday, we can also ask, yeah, we can also like try to say today is Monday and yesterday is Sunday, tomorrow is blah blah blah. So 今天是 today is. Okay, so we can say 今天 today, 昨天 yesterday, 明天 tomorrow. 今天是星期一 Today is Monday. 今天是星期一 Today is Monday. Okay, now we're going to explain how to say the time in Chinese. Okay, very easy. The hour is 点 The hour is 点 The minutes is 分 The minutes is 分 So you can see the clock is 10:10. So 10 is 10. So now the time it is 10点10分 Yes, you just put the number before the 点 and the 分 So now it is 10点10分 Okay, let's look at examples. Okay, first one you can see is 12:10. So that is 12点10分 12点10分 Okay, the next one is 10点45分10点45分 10:45 Okay, so maybe some people they are going to say, oh, how to tell the difference between the morning and the evening, the PM and the AM. So we have the units here. So morning is 早上 早上 morning. Noon is 中午 中午 and afternoon is 下午下午 and evening 晚上晚上 and 半夜 is midnight 半夜半夜 Okay, so 早上 and 晚上 and 中午 Yeah, you can hear some Chinese people they say 早上好 That means good morning 晚上好 Good evening Okay, so now we're going to organize a sentence. Okay, so 现在是早上10点 Now is the 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's the 10 a.m. 现在是早上10点现在是早上10点 Now it is 10 a.m. 早上 in the morning. 现在是现在 now is 早上 is morning 10点 10 o'clock 现在是早上10点 Okay, next one 现在是晚上10点晚上 is evening So now it is 10 p.m. It's 10 o'clock at night 现在是晚上10点Okay, now we're going to teach you how to say the which time, which day, what time is it, what day is today, today is which day of the week. Okay, so firstly we have to know how to say how many is 几 is how many, so we put in the sentence 今天是几月几号. Today is which month, which date. Okay, so 几 is how many or which. Today is which month, which date. 今天是几月几号? What day is it today? Okay, so second, 今天是星期几? 星期 is week, so it means what day of the week is it. 今天是星期几? Okay, the number 3, 现在几点? What time is it now? 现在 now 几 which or how many? Okay, so 现在几点? What time is it now? Okay, now we're going to practice as the person A and person B, and I'm the single person, so maybe I just play the both. Okay, so first one is person A. 今天是几月几号? What day is it today? 今天是几月几号? Okay, 今天是5月10号. Today is May 10th. 5月10号. 5月 May 10号 10. 今天是5月10号. Okay, the next question. 今天是星期几? What day of the week is it? 今天是星期几? 今天是星期五. Today is Friday. 今天是星期五. Today is Friday. Okay, 现在几点? What time is it now? 现在几点? What time is it now? 现在是下午1点10分. 现在是 now it is 下午 afternoon. 1点10分 is 1:10 afternoon. 现在是下午1点10分. 下午 afternoon 1点 yeah 1 and 10 1点10分 1:10 1 hour and 10 minutes, so it's 1:10 p.m. now. 现在是下午1点10分. Alright, so I have to thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learn a lot. So see you next time. Bye.